Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Shine Outdoors. Thanks for watching this episode, and I hope you like it. In today's episode, we're going to be fishing for bass and spawning bluegills. I'm really excited, so let's just get into it. Oh my god, I'm going to step on my rod, but I'm going to come back here for a cast right up there. Just going to drop it in. Oh, that's a bass, that's a bass. Maybe we can snag it. Let's get a release on this one right now. Pop. Bye, Pop. Gotta get him. We gotta save him. Take that right up to there. Pop. Pop, get him. Save them. You're safe. Got another one. These little black dots on them. I wonder what that is. You're thinking about eating this fish? I probably wouldn't. This is pretty gross. That needs to. Spot now, guys. We're on it. So this is our last cast over here. Then we're gonna go up there, bring our gear, and hopefully we can get some giant. It looks right there that we're right on the weeds, so we should be able to catch some bass. Yes, that is a big sunfish, pumpkin seed. Look at the size of it. Let's get that shot right there. Okay, now we got our thumbnail from the video. That's good. Here, my thumbnail is coming out. That's a good size sunfish. So we're gonna actually get a release on from here. Let him go. He's gonna swim right back to his nest. Right there. Which is awesome. That was really fun. I don't think we were gonna get him because he was so skittish. But we did. got it. We got it. We got a bass. We got a bass. Guys, I told you that we'd get a bass. Look. He's not a very long fish, but he's a fat one. Pop the hook out there. Wait. Ow. That guy hurt my hand. You got a nice lake winger bass. Nice for like 1 pound, 1.5, probably a 1 pounder. He's fat though. Look at that stomach. He crushed it. I just, I don't know. Sorry for that. Robin, he put so much hands. I caught him right there. I saw him from back there, and I knew he was gonna eat it because he was just watching all the bluegills. He was ready to hit them. So I had no time to grab the frog, so I just had the rod. Just used the rod I had, and we pinned him. So can I watch out for the rod?
Yeah, I know.
And then we're gonna get a release early. Look, we got a bass, Mom. So we're just gonna release him right down here. Get a nice release on the bass.
What's his name?
Hair, because he hit a hair jig. Look at that bass right there. Nice bass. I'm gonna just step on this rock, you know, it's probably not stable. Actually, it is pretty stable. But we're gonna release him. Look at him swim off right there. Nice 1 pounder. There we go. We got a bass. Finally, that was really fun. We're gonna grab our rod. I'm pretty sure I saw another one, so if we get two, it'll be too late. So, looking around and I saw it didn't destroy the hair jig. Didn't destroy the hair jig. That's the bait that we caught him on. That's the bait that we caught all of our fish on today. We're super excited. We're gonna do 1 or 2 more casts. Ooh. Make sure it's big back then. I missed. Ooh, that's actually a nice pump. Really nice pump. Oh, big chunk, big chunky. No. Oh, he ate it. He ate it. We got 2. We got 2, folks. This is our second one. I can't believe it. We got another one. Guys, this one's bigger. Yes, we got 2 bass. And he choked. I don't want to drop this one. But look at that. Look, he just ate it. He was barely hooked. Like, I can just pop that right out right there. I saw him come out from underneath the weeds, and he ate it. He actually spat it, and then 3 other bluegill just tried to eat it, and then those bluegill luckily spat it out. And then this one just came up and destroyed it. We got 2 bass. These bass are actually eating the spawning bluegill. They're stalking them down. They're eating those tiny ones. And look at that. He got hit. It has a little mark there for some reason. But that's super cool. Guys, that's super cool. I'm so happy we got these bass today and these bluegills. It's been so much fun. Get a release. If you want to come down here?
Sure.
Get a release. Try not to get a good release. I might as well just scan the water. Whatever. Okay, trying to get a release on those fish. Go swim off.
What was his name?
Bob.
You already had one named Bob.
Bill. No, I already made one named Bill.
Oh.
How about Cricket? just
Yeah.
like cricket green. Oh, thanks for cricket green. But guys, that was so much fun. I am so pumped that we got 2 bass today. 2 bass. It was so worth it staying. Even though it was looking pretty bad at times. Maybe we can get another one right now. Let's walk down a little bit more. Come down, let's go. There might be a bass back there. Why don't we end it right there on that super nice bass? Thank you guys for watching today's episode of Sean Outdoors, and we'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe and comment down below and turn on notifications so I can make some more episodes like this, and we'll see you on the next episode.